Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the smart meter model and the supply account number so registration matches the right device. Once done, open the provider app or in home display and enter Wi-Fi and account details. This pairs the meter to your network. Make sure to disable high draw appliances briefly so the meter reports stable baseline readings. You'll see a pairing code, or QR, on the meter. Scan or type it in now to initiate secure enrollment and real-time data flow. Next, configure how the meter reports and charges so readings translate to useful bills. You choose your tariff, fixed or time of use, and set reporting intervals, typically 15 minutes for detailed insights or 1 hour for less noise. Once chosen, map appliance groups in the app so the meter's consumption buckets line up with major loads, like HVAC and EV charging. Make sure notifications and alert thresholds are active. This lets you react to abnormal usage or peak pricing automatically. To complete setup, run a 24-hour validation period to ensure reported usage matches expectations and preliminary bills. Once validated, enable automated savings actions like shifting dishwasher or EV charging off-peak. If data stops or seems wrong, restart the gateway, confirm router connectivity, and reboot the meter per provider guidance. If problems persist, gather the meter ID, timestamped logs, and screenshots. Contact your provider directly so they can reconcile reads or dispatch a technician. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.